Hey, what's up guys, this is Jolin here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the Boult Airbass Powerbuds truly wireless Bluetooth earphones, and let me help you make a purchase decision. Boult has launched a few truly wireless earphones in the Indian market recently. One of them is the Airbass Powerbuds. So in this video, let's take a closer look how do they perform and if they can keep up with the big players in the market. So let's get going. Taking a look at the box, we can see it comes in a very simple packaging, and this is all what we get in the box. The earbuds in the charging case, the user manual, the warranty card, the USB Type-C charging cable, and the extra ear tips. These can be purchased at a price of 2,799 Indian rupees from Amazon India. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. Now just to give you a physical overview, on the top of the charging case we have the Boult audio branding. On the front we get the USB Type-C charging port and the USB port for power bank. Then inside the case we have the magnetic charging contact pins and the LED battery indicator. Then on the earbuds we find the glowing Boult logo on the touch area, the microphone. Then on the back we have the charging contacts. So as for the build quality, the case is made up of plastic which looks good enough, and it comes in a matte black color which doesn't look cheap at all. There is no movement of the earbuds inside the charging case, and the magnet is strong enough to hold the earbuds in its place. The earbuds on the other hand are also made up of good plastic, and they too don't feel cheap at all. So overall, I was satisfied with the build quality. Connecting the earphones to your phone was quite easy. First, turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Then take out both the earbuds from the charging case. Then open Bluetooth search interface on your phone. Then locate the Boult Audio Powerbuds and click connect. Boom, you're connected now. As for the touch controls, the touch area is big enough and it's easily accessible. I felt the touch response wasn't the quickest, but it got the job done. Single tapping on either earbud will play or pause the music and to answer or end a call. Double tapping on the right earbud will skip to the next song, and double tapping on the left earbud will return to the previous song. Long pressing on the right earbud for a few seconds will increase the volume, and long pressing on the left earbud will decrease the volume. And finally, long pressing for 2 seconds on either earbud will activate the voice assistant. So it's also worth noting that these earphones are IPX7 rated and are ideal for sweating it out at the gym. The Boult Audio Powerbuds come with Bluetooth 5 technology, and it has a range of approximately 10 meters. After approximately 10 meters of moving away from the phone, I felt stuttering in the music. As for the music playtime, I managed to get approximately 4 hours of music playback on the earbuds alone, and around 120 to 125 hours combined with the charging case. It's also worth noting that the 2200 mAh charging case can also be used as a power bank in emergency situation. The call quality on the other hand was decent, I would say, and I rarely got a complaint from the receiver's end. As for the charging time, I managed to charge the earphones with the charging case from 0 to 100% in approximately 1.5 hours. Coming to the comfort now, the Boult Audio Powerbuds come with a comfortable design. They fit easily in the ears and will not displace or misplace from their position even at a time of high commotion, and the earbuds are angled slightly forward so that the sound fit right into your skull. So overall, I haven't had any discomfort from the earbuds, and the silicone tips are soft and non-irritating. As for the latency, the company claims that the Boult Audio Powerbuds has a low latency, and in my testing I noticed that this latency is not only good for calls or consuming audio or video contents, but it's also good for playing games on the device. So the Powerbuds will be a good choice for game lovers and as well as for normal use of calling. Now coming to the sound quality, the Boult Powerbuds sound good in my opinion, but I wish they were a slightly more louder. The drivers pump out required amount of bass and with necessary punch to it. If you are a bass lover, then this should not get you disappointed to most extent, and even at higher volumes the bass is constant and I didn't notice any sound distortion. The highs and mids on the other hand were good to my liking. I could easily distinguish between them while listening to different types of music. The vocals were good and clear, so even at higher volumes. So you can use one earbud at a time if you don't want to use both the earbuds, and it works well with calls and music. So although you won't get the stereo effect which you get while using both the earbuds. So I would rate the Boult Powerbuds 8 out of 10 purely on music basis and 8.5 out of 10 for the build quality. So finally, as for my verdict, the overall quality of the Boult Powerbuds is not bad at all, especially considering the price, and it seems to provide a good experience. The sound quality is really good and you really pick up on everything that your music recordings have to offer. They can work with games very comfortably and can give you a good noise-free call experience. The build quality is fine, great battery life, and also has a feature of a power bank in emergency situations. The only thing that can be counted as the limitation is that the 1 second difference between the volume alteration and Google voice command. So overall, I feel the Boult Powerbuds make a very good choice and they have the ability to avoid any scope of regret if you choose to buy them. So guys, that's it for the video and I really hope you liked it. If you did, then hit the thumbs up button, and if you didn't, you can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you haven't and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.